Hey guys, okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Noemi, and this is my channel, Noemi Makes Things. And so today, um, well, I just want to like preface with I love doing my makeup, not all the time, but I love doing like a full glam, the whole thing. Today, I got home from work, I showered, my face is clean, so I'm like, don't want to do a foundation, do the whole thing because I don't want to wash my face. It feels clean. But I was like, oh, I don't know why. I was in like a vibe where I was like in a like 1960s like French Brigitte Bardot vibe, hence the headband and the ponytail. And that laugh was silly. Oh my god. So then I was like, okay, well let me do my makeup like super minimal. Let me just do like I don't want to put anything on my skin. I want this to be incredibly easy to clean off. So I'm just going to do a black eyeliner. Not even going to do mascara. Don't want to have to take off mascara. I'm just going to do a wing black and a little red on the lip. All right. So let's get into it. All right. So what we got first to start with. I think I totally like I feel like I like doing like the oil based eyeliner pencil, and then I like going over it with the like liquid liner, but like girl, I'm all out. So I think we're gonna have to make it work with my black eyeliner. Eyeliner. Say it with me. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. Okay, I want to get better about like being sanitary and clean. I feel like I should clean this off on a paper towel or something, or a piece of toilet paper, but I didn't prepare, so I'm just cleaning off on my hand, kind of. Yes. So I am into makeup and beauty, but I haven't taken any formal classes, and I really want to like get into the like how to like do the whole makeup thing in a really sanitary way to keep all your skin nice. So we're about to go into YouTube University. We're gonna learn about it. All right. So this is what I like to do. Hey, if you guys, sorry about my mirror. My mirror is a little dirty in the back, but I like to I like to like actually put a dot where I want it to be. Like I want with my eye open. I kind of put my little marks. That's where I want the wing to end. That's where I want it to connect. I want it to go up here. So there are my three dots. Next time in the future, we're gonna get better quality. We're gonna zoom in. We're just working with what we got right now. So I'm looking at the mirror. Here, I will pretend I'm the mirror. I look head on and I put the dot on the opposite side. But I'm going to use my mirror. Next time we'll get a mirror video camera. That's going to help a lot. Okay. Oh my god. Let's put the dots on that side where I want it to connect with my eye. Where I want it on the top. Okay, now I'm going to stretch my eye. We have our three dots. We are going to do connect the dots. We are going to draw a triangle. But first I'm going to kind of go up. Oh, I look kind of cool. Oh. She's serving. Okay. What is she serving? I cannot stay focused. This is too silly. Y'all are distracting me, and I had a chai latte, and that is not helping. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I actually like to, maybe I should have done, next time I won't do the outer dots because I kind of like to put my hand right there. You know what? We're gonna do it. I like to put my hand right there to draw this part. And so I'm drawing above my lash line, and then I'm trying to like smudge and blend it in with the lash line. And I'm kind of not, I'm gonna stop, not go all the way to the, kind of while we're at it, do all of the lash line. And then I kind of got rid of my line. Now we're gonna go here. You guys being able to see that? Okay, and so now this is the part where I'm gonna draw with my eye open. Okay, I think I like went a little overboard. We're gonna pretend my eye is open. And of course I have a skin tag right here, which makes it... When life gives you skin tags, it's giving 1960s. I don't know if this is really giving 1960s. I might have done the point like too long. I think this is getting bold. I feel like 1960s are less like straight, but yeah, I don't know. Again, this is a totally winged makeup look, like just winging it from my imagination. In the future, I definitely want to look at reference pictures, but we were just like, hey, let's wing it. Let's wing it. Let's do what we remember from 1960s. I'm kind of like sick of always, we have so much access to information, but it's kind of like nice to go a little vacation. I don't need Pinterest right now. We do the other eye. I'm gonna put my finger here. Okay, so I experienced this problem before that this light is so bright that I can't really see what I'm doing. So for the purposes, I'm just dimming it a little bit because it's like blinding me. And I don't want my other eye to look messed up. That's kind of interesting. But you can't see because I turned the light off. Okay, this is just like, whatever. It's by the lash line. And then now... And then we're going to pretend with the eye open. We're going to sort of connect it. Ooh, I think this side is more 1960s, but it's still kind of like straight. Again, I didn't look at any reference pictures. I'm gonna try to make them more alike. Okay, so we're just going to get the lights back on. My computer's running out of battery, so we're just gonna do it real quick, you guys. That's how the eyes look. Now we do the lips real quick. Nothing fancy. That's a funny look. Alright. You guys, this is what we're doing. I did a quick... the lighting's bad. Sorry about that. 1960s. Oh, the lighting's better. Very quick. Sorry about shaking the table. This is my quick 1960s look. The eyeliner is not perfect. I don't care. We are not trying to be perfect. We're just trying to feel a vibe. And I've got a little bit of perfume. This is a perfume that I've got that I quite like. Eau de Parfum. And we're going to... I love it. Thanks you guys so much for watching. feeling cute, feeling very French and 1960s, a little Bridget Bardot vibe. Alright, so if you like this video, please subscribe if you want to watch more videos. See you in there. Bye guys!